Hello everyone, welcome to the TriStar Hidden Treasures Mini Football Helmet Box Break. Let's get into it. In this break, the participants are Cantali, Will, Dobo, Bite Me, Thomas, Tarek HD _ USMC, Big Bank, JAA, Pelican, Sky Lead, and BSBR. Alright, let's copy and paste our list on randomize.org. There we go. Let's paste our list. Randomize it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, on the top we have Cantali, and at the bottom we have Tarek HD _ USMC. Here we go. Alright, here's our new list. Cantali with the Cardinals and Falcons, Tarek with the Ravens and with the Bills. Here, let me just erase the blue thing. Alright, there we go. BSBR with the Panthers, Bite Me with the Chicago Bears. Tarek with the Bengals, Bite Me with the Browns. JAA with the Cowboys, Bite Me with the Broncos. Thomas with the Lions and Packers. JAA with the Texans, Tarek with the Colts, Bite Me with the Jaguars, Sky with the Chiefs, Dobo with the Rams, Tarek with the Chargers, Bite Me with the Dolphins, Tarek with the Vikings, Cantali with the Patriots, Dobo with the Saints, Cantali with the Giants, Bite Me with the Jets, Sky with the Raiders, Dobo with the Eagles, Big Bank with the Steelers, Tarek with the 49ers, Pelicans with the Seahawks, Will with the Buccaneers, JAA with the Titans, and Tarek with the Redskins. Alright, let's open up this box. And here's the surprise. I told a few of you guys, I ditched the old year. I sold that. I resold that to the store. And I went out and got the brand new one that just came out. They have a whole bunch of new treasures. The touchdown, what's it called? Touchdown treasures. And just a whole bunch of new featured items. So I thought it would be cool to get one of those. Alright. Because last time we bought the new baseball one and the new jersey one, we've had extreme luck with that. Alright. Let's open up the seal. There we go. Alright. Looks like our helmet is in a bag. That's unusual. I think that's only happened once to us. But there's something inside. Oh, and there's something right there too, so let me get that. Alright. Oh, I think this is the ticket. Not the... Yeah, this is the name. Oh, we got a Hall of Famer. Our college football Hall of Famer. Let's, get the helmet out. because there's something, pretty sure that's the certificate of authenticity, but let's just get the helmet out. This is tough. Alright, I might have to... No, wait, I think I can get it. Guess I'm not too great at untying knots. Alright. Here is our helmet. It's a really nice autograph. Heisman, 1966, and that card in here is just the authentic TriStar certification. Wow, nice helmet, and you guys might have already saw the name, but here it is again. Mike Garrett, Heisman Trophy, UPI Player of the Year, Pop Warner Trophy, the two-time AFL All-Star, two-time AFL champion, Super Bowl champion, Kansas City Chiefs Hall of Fame, and College Football Hall of Fame. Really nice right there. So we're kicking it off with a College Football Hall of Famer. Hopefully we could get a lot more luck. This is pretty nice. Let's look up what team he played for the longest. By guessing the ticket, it's probably the Kansas City Chiefs because it's the Kansas City Chiefs Hall of Fame. But, let's just check. Mike, oh, why did I put it in? I wasn't looking at the screen. Alright. Mike. Not Mike Trout, but Garrett. Here he is. There's a picture of him. Pro Football Reference. Alright, it looks like 5 years with Kansas City and 4 years with San Diego. So that's going out to the Kansas City Chiefs. Congratulations to whoever has the Kansas City Chiefs. You'll be getting the inaugural Breaking Memorabilia 2018 mini football helmet box break for this edition. That sounded weird. Kansas City Chiefs is Skyled Am. I'm probably saying it wrong. But Skyled Am 60. Congratulations. You win the Mike Garrett autographed mini football helmet. That'll be going out to you soon. Post another break if you guys want to enter in that one. I got the full-size football helmet. I got the football jerseys. I got the full-size football. Got a lot of them going on right now. Mean a lot if you guys check that out. Thank you all for getting in, and I hope to see you guys soon. Goodbye.